Hi, my name is Audrey and I'm the owner of Piping Hot Artworks, where we turn the ordinary into the extraordinary. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can pick out a level piece of wood in just 3 steps. So if you're interested, stick around. So for most people, going to the hardware store, it can be overwhelming. But if you're weird like me and for some reason you really enjoy the smell of lumber, it could be pretty dang cool. However, it's still a little bit overwhelming. So the next thing we're going to do is pick a piece of wood off the shelf and put it down on the ground. Use your eye to see, does it look straight? Because if you have curvatures, it's not going to be a good thing. Pass on that piece. The next test is called the foot test, and it's pretty dang easy. All you have to do is put the wood on the floor and use your foot. Does it wobble? Because if it does, that means that it is not level. That would be hard to correct, so go ahead and pass on that. Our next test is called the crack test. These look really cool in person, yet working with them is horrible. Don't even bother buying a piece of wood that's got a crack in it if you plan on doing anything to it, such as cutting or weathering it. Now this is a great example because it shows us how one piece of wood can pass all of these tests. Using the eye test, it's pretty dang straight, so we can work with that. Using the foot test, place it on the ground and we can see, hey, as soon as we apply some pressure, it does not wobble. Yay! Okay, so now you know the 3 easy steps that you can use to pick out a level and straight piece of wood. I hope it helps you with all of your DIY and home decor projects. If you're interested in additional tips and tricks or doing some DIY projects with us, stick around, hit subscribe, and ring the bell. Thanks a lot. Bye.